of Lagos. You know me, who? Gang. You chillin' with the Monster Gang. You chillin' with the Monster Gang. Right now you are chillin' with the Monster Gang. You know me, gang, gang. You chillin' with the Monster Gang.
I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Guys, let me tell you something. How much times you want to go out or you want to go to the Target and you don't have time to lie down your wig, to do this to the wig, and do this to the wig? To the work, yeah, I say to the work. And you don't have time to do no anything, and you only want to take your channel, your clothes, your shoes, and you go run away. I got you. This is me. And 2 seconds, 2 minutes, even 2 minutes, not going to reach 2 minutes. See, less than 1 minute. Baby, sit down. Let me do something. Less than 1 minute. Want to see? This is the thing. You see, it's a cap. Wow, wow, it's cute, eh? Wow, so cute cap. And you're going to tell me about Danny. Girl, everybody have cap. What I say? You have this one. Did you have this one? Wait. Let me show you. Let's go with the winter. Period. Bitch, I'm going to the Target. I'm going to take the bus. I'm going late to work. Everything like less than 1 minute. This is the video. This is it. SILIKE hair, girl. SILIKE hair. But don't worry, because it's coming out with her own wake up. No. Okay, makes sense. I come in with my own hair and cap. Hair and more. I'm coming. Don't worry. 220. Happy New Year, girls. Happy New Year. You girls coming out with. I'm going like this out, with no makeup. Okay.
No.
Who going to know?
No.
Like, who going to know that you don't have no hair here? Who going to tell you, bitch, you're lying? That you don't have no wave. See the hair. See the hair, okay? See it. You need to see it. Appreciate it. If you want, you comment. If you don't want to comment, I want to comment so the text is going to come out. As she says. No. Oh. Where's my dry shampoo? Poo. Okay, I got it. SILIKE hair on ALIEXPRESS, girls. SILIKE hair in ALIEXPRESS. SILIKE hair on ALIEXPRESS. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share my video. Peace. Bye. Contact lenses at lashes.com. Yes, colossia.com. Discount code JK10 for you to have 10% off. And don't worry, because contact lenses lookbook is coming. Y está calentito, oye. Super comfy.